Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install bottles on OpenSUSE Tumbleweed? Do you want to easily run Windows software on your OpenSUSE Linux with bottles? Let's make things easy for you to set up and install bottles on your Linux with to-the-point installation steps. Let's begin. We are on OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. Open Terminal app on your Linux. Make sure to update your repositories. Flatpak is a must to move ahead. Luckily OpenSUSE Tumbleweed comes with Flatpak installed as default. You can verify it through this command. Additionally, we would want to enable Flathub repository to be able to install bottles. You can enable it with ease. You can install bottles through Flatpak as shown. If this is your first Flatpak package installation, you might need to install some additionally packages depending on your desktop. These can take up a while to install. Please have patience during this. They are installed wisely. You can run bottles from within the terminal as shown. The first boot of bottles may require you to download some additional components. These can be downloaded automatically. Please have patience during this. It's done wisely. You must be seeing everything as ready output on your screens. Bottles is successfully installed and set up correctly on OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. You can create your first bottle now to run your Windows application or a game. Once you are done creating your first bottles, you can install your desired application through it. There are multiple settings to try as well. You can add programs or installers as well. For me, it's way better than Wine and is having a clean GUI. It's a try must. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.